Daily time and material sheets. Step-by-step guidelines. In this section, we will cover the reasons for following the established approval process. Submitting time and material sheets for review and approval. The bubblegum rule: if it's billable, it gets approved first. Whether it's $1 or $100,000, any cost that will appear on an invoice to the client must be reviewed and approved before the purchase is made. This ensures transparency, prevents disputes, and guarantees all charges are authorized before being incurred. Prior approval ensures transparency, prevents disputes, and keeps billing smooth by confirming all costs are authorized before they occur. This proactive step helps maintain trust with your client, avoids unexpected charges, and streamlines the invoicing process from start to finish. Submitting exemptions for gaps in billing should be done promptly and include complete details such as the employee's name, date, time, and specific reason for the exemption. For example, missed clock-in, missed sign-in, or other deviations from procedure. Any required documentation or point of contact approval should be attached to support the request. One-time exemptions can be submitted for specific employees such as material buyers or shop coordinators. Consistently following the agreed process for pre-approvals, daily timesheet submissions, and exemption reporting helps prevent disputes and delays for both parties. By providing complete information and securing approvals in advance, we ensure transparency, accurate billing, and timely payments. Adhering to these requirements allows us to address potential issues before they impact schedules, invoicing, or overall project progress. All costs must remain transparent and fully auditable, with detailed documentation, clear breakdowns, and supporting records provided for every charge. This ensures accuracy, facilitates verification, and maintains mutual trust throughout the project. All work, charges, and submissions must align with the agreed contract terms to ensure compliance and avoid disputes. Any deviations require prior approval and proper documentation to maintain transparency and accountability. All work and deliverables must meet client expectations by adhering to outlined specifications, timelines, and quality standards. Clear communication and prompt resolution of any issues are essential to maintaining satisfaction and project success. In this section, we will cover in detail the concept of the bubblegum rule. We will review the items that need to be submitted for review and approval. Items that will need to be submitted for review and approval are time, rentals, travel, deliveries, miscellaneous items, and lump sum spend. Labor cost, expenses for wages or salaries of project personnel, including payroll taxes, burdens and benefits, overtime, shift differentials, and standby pay. Equipment cost, expenses for company-owned or rented equipment used on the project, including rental fees, operating costs, maintenance, and applicable usage charges. Travel expenses and per diem, costs for employee travel related to the project, including transportation, lodging, meals, and daily per diem allowances, supported by receipts or approved travel authorizations. Materials and supplies, costs for consumable items and materials used on the project, supported by vendor invoices or purchase receipts. Freight, hot shots and delivery fees, charges for transporting materials or equipment to and from the project site, including freight, courier, and hot shot services, supported by vendor invoices or receipts. Miscellaneous, any project-related costs not classified under other categories, supported by proper documentation and approval. Including but not limited to a piece of gum. Lump sum, tracked with spent-to-date amounts to monitor progress against the agreed total. By tracking this cost, your customer will be able to quickly determine if there are any deviations from original terms. In this section, we will cover the process for submitting accurate and complete billing packets for review, ensuring all required documentation is included to facilitate timely review and approval. Here is a list of what your time and material package should include when you submit it for approval. Requirements for employee timesheets. Your daily timesheet should list all employees. The employee name, straight time hours, overtime hours, premium time hours, travel expenses, and per diem. If this is a new employee that you will be billing travel expenses and per diem for, a copy of a utility bill and matching address and a government ID should be provided as backup. Requirements for equipment timesheets. Individual equipment listed with cost including freight, taxes, and markup. Some exceptions apply to the equipment timesheets. If the equipment will be billed weekly or monthly due to cost benefits, the equipment timesheets can be submitted as such. Requirements for materials. Itemized material list with cost including freight, taxes, and markup. All receipts or invoices are required as backup. Exemption forms. Exemption forms should include the employee name, date of exemption, total unaccounted hours and company name. Each exemption requires a reason for exemption. For invoices already submitted in prior dates, these time and material packages still need to be validated. Please submit all documentation as soon as possible. Thank you for your time and attention. By working together and following these processes, we can maintain transparency, prevent delays, and ensure a smooth, successful project for all parties involved. We appreciate your partnership and commitment to achieving our shared goals.